When I was searching for daycare, I didn't want just a place where they were being watched and they were going to play all day. I was looking for a nurturing environment that was safe and resembled a class-like structure, one that truly invested in the child's development. The Monarch community is truly a special place. From the beginning, we felt welcomed, not only for my son, but for my entire family.
My first impressions of Monarch Montessori were warm and inviting, and I was very appreciative of the information that I received when my child was enrolled.
My first impressions was that it was a small community. I love working with Monarch. One of my favorite things here with all the teachers, they are like family for me.
I chose this school for my child because the Montessori program is known for its educational institution. The Monarch community is like a family. They keep us well informed, up to date, and they're very receptive to any feedback that we have as parents.
The teachers here are amazing. Every time that you get to the school, you're always greeted, with somebody always has a smiley face.
From the beginning, I was drawn to Monarch's warmth and nurturing environment and its commitment to the Montessori philosophy, which allows children to learn at their own pace and make choices.
I think the program speaks for itself. I think that my time with the Monarch Montessori family has been incredible. What they have given my family and done for my son has been truly just unimaginable.
It feels good knowing that you can go to a school and almost every staff member knows your children's name.
You can tell I love the school. I'm very happy to be here. We're 5 years in, with my 2 kids. We have 2 more years here, and I'm sure I'm going to be crying the last day, when I have to go.
If you're considering Monarch Montessori for your child, I strongly encourage you to take the next steps. It's more than just a school, it's a nurturing, respectful, and inspiring environment that genuinely supports the whole child. Also, don't hesitate to reach out to the teachers and staff. They are highly approachable, communicative, and truly committed to each child's development. This is a place where your child will be recognized, appreciated, and encouraged to flourish.